Imagine if your house could do things by itself, like turning on the lights when it gets dark or playing music when you walk in. That's what a home automation server does. It helps your house to be smart and helpful. Setting up a home automation server is like teaching your house to be a good helper. First, you need a special computer that will be in charge of all the smart tasks. This computer is called a server. It's like the boss of the house that tells everything what to do. You also need some special tools like smart lights, smart speakers, and smart locks. These tools can talk to the server and follow its instructions. Next, you connect all these tools to the server using something called a network. A network is like a secret language that allows the server and the tools to chat with each other. Once everything is connected, you can start telling the server what you want your house to do. You can program the server to turn on the lights at a certain time, adjust the temperature in your home, or even make coffee in the morning. It's like giving your house a list of chores to do on its own. You can also control everything using your phone or computer even if you're not at home. Setting up a home automation server is like making your house a superhero that can do things for you without you even asking. It's a fun way to make your home a more comfortable and convenient place to live. So grab your tools, connect everything together, and enjoy the magic of a smart home. And if you need help, Omaha Computing Solutions is here for you. Their team of dedicated technicians will guide you through the entire process for an affordable price. Don't want DIY? Omaha Computing Solutions will take care of everything for you. No worries, no hassles, just done and done.